Okay, so the repair of the breach of the tree limb that fell down into our lid for our cistern, I've turned into a hole that I'm going to make into a vent, so there's no vapor locks in our system. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm going to pull all of the duct tape off and do the thing. Be right back. Okay, we have the inside of the lid. I got this little female adapter. Got a couple of 1-inch O-rings to have a tight seal so no critters get in. So I'll flip that over. Yep, one-handed. Okay, I can't do the rest one-handed. Okay, so I got it poked through. I'm going to take my female threaded adapter and tighten it up. Okay, just run it through so no air can get in to the tank or out of the tank, whatever way you want to look at it. Okay, it's our semi-finished vent. Up and over. I'm going to put a little screen on the bottom. We'll be done.